see what Stefan has to share with us. Welcome, Stefan, on stage.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be presenting our automated X-ray analysis tool, and I'd like to begin with the past. When the First World War broke out, Marie Curie had the initiative of putting X-ray machines into cars in order to go along on the front and scan wounded soldiers. In today's world, this wouldn't be necessary because X-ray machines are everywhere, but 2/3 of the global population still lacks access to radiology diagnostics. And this is because the problem of lacking medical infrastructure transformed into the problem of lacking medical specialists. There simply aren't enough radiologists around the world, and in places where there are, they are overcrowded by their work. This is what we are trying to solve with our system. How will it work? Anybody will be able to enter our web page and input an X-ray. Then, two artificial intelligence algorithms kick in. The first one tries to find out which part of the body is in the scan, and it acts as a trigger for the second one, which tries to find specific anomalies. And once it's done, it outputs this: a list of possible diagnostics, their probabilities, and a heat map of anomalous zones. Now, there's a question that's been bothering our team a lot. Would Marie Curie be in our target market? Allow me to explain. Firstly, we want to offer a general public with an interest in second opinions free diagnostics. We plan to monetize by connecting those patients with our partner medical experts, which are best suited for their needs. We want to collaborate with contract research organizations which develop clinical trials, which we can help automate. And we want to partner up with clinics and hospitals which can use xVision to enhance their radiologists. Until now, we have managed to implement our web application, our artificial intelligence algorithms. We are in talks with 2 clinics, Regina Maria and MedLife, 1 CRO, when we have 2 partner radiologists. This is our amazing team. We have been collaborating for a long time now. At the moment, we are searching for people to use our application and for business partners. So join us on our quest to bring Marie Curie's radiology cars to the 21st century in the form of xVision. Thank you very much for listening.
Wow, you already a lot of practice. Oh. What are you doing here? Go ahead. What kind of questions do you have?
First of all, congratulations. Sounds like a cool project. Second question, what would be the cost for the review of one scan?
So we can't actually estimate the cost for one scan, as our algorithms, regardless of how many scans you make, they will run on a monthly basis, so we can estimate the cost on running about a month.
Do you know what the cost of your competition is for one scan?
We don't know the cost of the competition, but about the competition...
I can tell you, $1 per scan. Zebra Medical Vision. They are doing a great job. So you have to put a lot of pressure on your costs.
Okay.
Check them out.
Okay, thank you.
How do you plan to validate your learning mechanism of your machine learning algorithm behind it?
Yeah, so at the moment our 2 partner radiologists are taking scans from their own databases and they're uploading it onto our application, and then we're going to compare the results, the percentages. It's quite a long effort because they are overcrowded by their work. So
have you made any calculation how many verifications in parallel with specialists you would need in order to be sure that your machine learning is giving correct diagnostics?
We don't have an estimate for that, but we are pretty sure of the accuracy of our algorithm because we have also based it on an algorithm published by Stanford, and they tested it with their 4 radiologists. They had an average, and the algorithm that we have improved on actually managed to outperform them on some tasks, on some of the 14 diseases that we can diagnose at the moment.